Hi folks, this is Bob Holznacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Beautiful sunny September day here, just as warm as summer. Here's a 22 GLB. Beautiful, beautiful car, courtesy vehicle, which we sell as brand new. It hasn't been titled here in the state of Maine. Very popular selection, great MPGs on the highway. Let's walk around this beauty. It's a good size for most people. A little smaller than some of the SUVs out there, but plenty of room inside. You sit up nicely. This has the panoramic sunroof, which is awfully nice. The MBUX system, so you can talk to it and give it directions and set your temperature and ambient lighting. And the back seat is very, very comfortable. It has theater seating, so you sit up actually over the front headrest, so no car sickness back here. Plenty of legroom you'll see for a car of this size. All right, it is a 4MATIC, so it's going to be great in the snow. I'm going to walk around the back here. Plenty of storage, and these middle seats will go down to provide even more storage. Okay. Walk around this side of the car. I like this car in white. There's a lot of blue, black trim on it naturally. Pretty nice MSRP on this car, $46,000. Not a ton of options, but you do have the heated steering wheel, heated seats, ambient lighting, and the digital display. All right. Navigation is not included. Many people now prefer to use cell phones. The car has Apple CarPlay, so that you can, the screen would show up and you can use Waze, Apple Maps, Google Maps. So that's it here from Maine. Bob Holznacker again, 207-747-9714. Thank you.